Alright, here's my little ham, Presley. He's been doing his wiggle and making faces all day. Come on, do your faces. Do it. Can you wiggle? Do your fish wiggle? Can you do your fish wiggle? There's your faces. Yeah. Yeah. Can you do your fish wiggle? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Can you do it? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do your wiggle. Can you do your dance? Do your dance we're just doing. Uh-huh. Do it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. That's one of your funny faces. Yeah. Now do this. Go. Can you make that face? Make that face. Do that face. Do that silly face. Do that silly face. Yep. Do this one. Very good. Oh, that's so good. Good. Yeah. Yeah. What else? Yeah. Good. What else? I'm a keeper. That's what your shirt says. I'm a keeper. Presley, can you make this face? Presley. Press. Hello. Can you do this? Go. Do that face. Do the face. Oh, are you going to do your dance now? There you go. That's the fish wiggle. That's the fish wiggle, everybody. Come on. Do the fish wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. You're so funny. All right, are you finished? You finished showing off? Huh? Oh, there we go. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Can you do it again? Oh, now you're just going to do your dance. All right, do your little dance. Let's show everybody those cute little legs. Whoa! No, can you do your favorite face? Do your funny face one more time. That's the fish wiggle. Can you do this? Uh-huh. What else? Can you say goodbye? Goodbye. Goodbye. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. All right. Goodbye.